healthy way how to cook the porridge. It's very quick recipe and it's very healthy. If you try to lose weight, it's a great way to lose weight. It's very healthy breakfast. For that, so I have got 100-gram porridge, about 2 pinch of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, 6 to 7 almond I chopped. I have got strawberries about 5-6 and I have got blueberries about 2 handful. I'm taking deep fry pan, then I gas on already. Let it warm first. First I'm going to add the butter. So guys, people are thinking if they try to lose weight, they're not allowed to eat any butter or the high calories of food. This is the wrong, because when you try to lose the weight, your bone and your skin need greasiness, otherwise your skin will become very dry. So it's very necessary to eat sometime high calories butter or nuts, something like that, so maintain your skin and bone same time. So second, I'm going to add almond. So almond is very good for the skin as well, so keep your skin glow and very healthy. So just roast for about few minutes till the golden brown, because sometimes what happens, people are trying to lose weight and they just use the water only and make porridge. That's the not way. Now it's a little bit brown, so second I'm going to add the porridge. Then I'm going to roast a little bit till golden brown. So just keep frying about 2 to 3 minutes till golden brown. It's a little bit golden brown now. Then I'm going to add the first water. And cook few minutes, because porridge will cook very quickly. It's not takes long time. Reason I'm putting water first, because I don't want to add too much milk. If you add the too much milk, it will be very high calories. Then after a few minutes cook, you can see it's reduced the water. Then I'm going to add the milk. Then gas slow down. Then I'm going to cook another 3 to 4 minutes till the porridge cook. Then keep stirring in the middle, otherwise it will be stick in the bottom. So definitely I'm not going to add any raw sugar, because I think we got enough sugar in the blueberries and strawberries. So guys, if you want to add sugar, is totally optional, but for diabetics or if you want to lose weight, you don't need to add any sugar. Ready, you can say it's cooked already. So if you want to eat thick or thin, is totally optional. So I'm going to gas off now, then let it cool down a little bit. If you want to eat very hot, you can eat hot as well, but we like little bit full. Then I'm going to gas off now. So guys, I'm going to put in a serving big bowl. Then I'm going to put about 2 pinch of cinnamon powder. Then I'm going to put blueberries on the top like that. You can use any kind of berries. Then I'm going to put the strawberries. guys is ready to eat. You must try this kind of healthy way how to cook the porridge. It's very great way to lose weight and control your diabetes as well. So hopefully you guys likes my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.